Chinese Grand Prix, Ricciardo out of qualifying. Latest on Red Bull turbo failure. The Australian was frustrated at his home race at the start of the season by a grid place penalty which essentially ended his hopes of a podium finish, though he finished in fourth, having long trailed Ferrari's Kimi Räikkönen. An energy storing system's failure then ended his race at the Bahrain Grand Prix after just 2 laps last weekend, with teammate Max Verstappen also retiring early on in Sakura, albeit due to a collision rather than a mechanical issue. And now Ricciardo has been left frustrated in China. Going down the back straight in Shanghai on Saturday morning, the rear of his car spat out flames and plumes of smoke before he said over the team radio, "I've got an issue, and brought his car to a halt on the section of grass near to the pit lane. That came after Ricciardo sat in the garage for the first 20 minutes with mechanics checking through his gearbox. Ricciardo's hopes of making qualifying, which gets underway at 7 a.m., are in huge doubt as his mechanics change his internal combustion engine. It's another huge blow after it was hoped that Red Bull could challenge Ferrari and Mercedes at the Shanghai International Circuit. A dejected Christian Horner told Sky Sports from the pit wall, "The guys have a bit of a job on to turn it around for qualifying. I think we've got a suspected turbo failure. That's what the analysis is at the moment. Whether that's damage to the combustion engine as well, only time will tell. It looks turbo orientated at the moment. The amount of times we've had to change engines, the guys are well versed to it. It's a second race in a row. Disappointing is probably an understatement. This failure, let's get the analysis, understand what it is fully, and then there will be plenty of information, I'm sure." Ricciardo later added to Sky Sports F1's Ted Kravitz, "The boys have to take it all apart, and I'd say at this stage, probably just put a new engine in. So hopefully they can do that in the couple of hours that we have until qualifying. I'm obviously optimistic I can get out. If not, well, just try and roll with it for now and see what we can do. It's pretty tough at the moment, but it's alright, it's fine."